This is how simple it is to catch trades like this. Follow each and every step. Okay, step number 1. You need to have this indicator called the pivot point super trend. You install it by going to this section, type pivot point super trend. Once you've done that, whenever the line is below the price, that means the trend is going up. Simple. Then you need to have your Asia session box. Okay, it's called the Asian range and kill zones. Once you install that, wherever you are in the world, make sure that the first 8 candles on a 1 hour time frame is engulfed by this indicator. So it's going to show you exactly where your Asia session is. The first 8 candles is the Asia session box. I'm based in London, so that is from 10 p.m. to 6 a.m. as the Asia session box, because this is about catching the London session liquidity impulsive moves. So now, what's next? We need to have this indicator. Is called the high-low day box. How do you get it? You get into this section and you type high-low day box. Okay, customize it, make it however you want it, but this is how mine looks. So the priority is that as soon as the Asia session box is finished, okay, I am waiting for an engulfing to happen straight after the Asia session box happens. Okay, so right here, this is the 6 a.m. candle, which closes at 7 a.m. GMT, that is London time. Okay, once I see this happen, this candle, I just take it. I take it and I buy the price. This is all about following the momentum within the price action. Nothing less and nothing more. Very simple strategy. Okay, another example. Now this happened on USD JPY. Another example of this happening took place on Euro USD. Once again, we have our 3 indicators. We have our pivot point super trend, which establishes our direction. There we have it right there. Then we have our Asia session box, which is here in gray. It engulfs and summarizes all the Asia candles, okay, within one box. So as soon as that box finishes and we enter now the London session, this is the London session. Once this happens, right here, 6 a.m. candle, which closes at 7 a.m. Once that happens, all I'm looking for is to see if this candle is actually an engulfing candle, that this candle engulfs the previous candle. Is there a color change? Yes, there is. So once this happens, all I'm doing is quite simple. I enter a short position, stop loss right above the wick, and I aim for 4-5%. Okay, you hold the trade as long as the 1H candles are bearish and the momentum hasn't subsided. Stay in the trade in order to maximize your profits. Okay, so I also have the high-low day box in order to show me where is the high and where is the low of a particular day. So today is Tuesday, this is Monday, this is Friday. Everything is on the chart and it's very, very clean. Follow this strategy in order to maximize your profits in the Forex game. Now, another example where the same thing happened. Once again, the principle is the same. Okay, if you want to know the parameters and the details or the intricacies, then watch all my other videos. You can also join my Discord group where I mentor students on exactly what to do when. It's all about timing. It's all about being at the right place at the right time, knowing when momentum is strong and following the exact template and the strategy. Once again, right now we are on GBP USD. We have our pivot point super trend indicator right here. The pivot point super trend is above the price, which means that the momentum is bearish. Okay, second indicator, we have our Asia session box right here, and we also have our high-low day box. 3 indicators which helps us to know what is our bearings in the market. Is the market bearish? Is it going sideways? Is it consolidating? Is it impulsive? It helps us to know what is happening. So once again, straight after the Asia session closed and the London session opened, we got an engulfing. Now, this engulfing was just the right size. It was small, yet it fully engulfed the previous bullish candle, which is a fantastic indication that the price is about to go down. And then all you have to do is watch the price, stay in the trade until you reach 3 to 5%, and then come out, because no impulsive move goes to the downside indefinitely. So there you go. There you have it. These 3 trades happened a few hours ago. If you want to learn exactly how to do this, sometimes watching YouTube videos is not enough. If you're looking for a mentor, all you have to do is click the link in the description section below and we can start the process. Click right now on the video on your screens in order to learn more information like this. Let's go.